Welcome. In front of me is a Doogee S86 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, pull down your notification panel, expand it, and look for the hotspot toggle, which for me is right over here. Now when doing this for the very first time, you want to hold the toggle. This will quickly take you to the settings where you can then tap on Wi-Fi hotspot and customize it. Now the reason you want to do it is because when you tap on Wi-Fi hotspot password, you'll be able to see that this is some randomly generated trash. So it's way easier just to remove it and set your own new password. Now it does need to have at least 8 characters in length, and from here you can basically save it and connect to your hotspot. And there's a couple additional settings like turn off hotspot automatically. I would recommend keeping this on. It's a fairly nice feature to have. And last things last would be the hotspot name, which obviously is just going to be the name of the Wi-Fi that the hotspot creates. So once you went through the settings and customize them to your liking, click on the check mark right here to enable it. And there we go, we can now connect to it. Once you're done with it, you can either just not use it and the device will turn it off automatically after like 5 minutes of inactivity, or you can turn it off yourself quicker by finding the toggle, tapping on it again to turn it off. So there we go, and that is how you can set up your hotspot and use it. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.